Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to use custom keyboard shortcuts for effects so that you can work much more efficiently. It's pretty simple to do. As an example, I have a short recording here, and in these parts you can clearly see my breathing, and I want to remove that. I usually do that with Effect and Amplify, and it's not a problem with a short recording like this one. But with several minutes, it's a lot of effort. Therefore, I want to set a keyboard shortcut for Amplify now. For this, I click on Edit and Preferences. And here I switch to the Keyboard tab. In this list, I can now search for my effect. But it's much easier to enter the name of the effect into the search bar. I enter Amplify and select the effect here. Down here I can now enter my keyboard shortcut. For this example I will use F8, click on Set and OK. If I now go back to Effect, I can see my new shortcut next to Amplify, and when I press the shortcut, the Amplify effect opens. And that's all you have to do if you want to set own keyboard shortcuts in Audacity. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.